Turning your passion for cooking and eating into a money-making venture is an exciting endeavor. Here are some steps and ideas on how to make money cooking and eating your favorite food. Blogging and vlogging. Start a food blog. Share recipes, cooking techniques, and reviews of your favorite dishes. YouTube. Create a cooking channel where you showcase your culinary skills and review your favorite dishes. Social media influence. Grow your following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest by posting delectable food pictures, videos, and stories. Host live cooking sessions or Eat With Me sessions. Cooking classes. Host virtual or in-person cooking classes. Websites like Teachable, Udemy, or Airbnb experiences can be platforms to teach. Meal prep or catering service. Start a meal prep business where you cook large batches of your favorite foods and sell them in portion containers. Cater events or small parties. Pop-up restaurants or food stalls. Rent a space temporarily and host a themed dinner night with your favorite dishes. Set up a stall at local farmers markets or fairs. Subscription boxes. Curate monthly subscription boxes with ingredients for your favorite recipes or gourmet treats you've made. Review restaurants or food products. Some companies will pay for comprehensive reviews, or you can earn money through ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Merchandising. Offer exclusive content, recipes, or Q&A sessions for patrons or members who pay a monthly fee. Host food tours. If you're passionate about local food, host food tours in your city, showcasing the best places to eat your favorite dishes. Food photography. If you have a knack for making food look delicious in photos, offer your services to restaurants, magazines, or food blogs. Sponsored content. As you grow your audience, brands may pay you to feature their products in your recipes or videos. Consulting or recipe development. Work with restaurants or food companies to develop new recipes or improve their menu offerings.